More than 100 Texas school districts have temporarily shut down during the Omicron surge, with thousands of students and teachers sick with COVID. Fox's Stephen Dial gives us a look at the low vaccination rates among children statewide.
We are in a crisis mode, so shutting down does make sense.
It was the talk of the pickup line at Grapevine Middle School, the district's decision to cancel classes Thursday and Friday because of a surge in Omicron cases.
I think that taking this 4 days off of school is really going to help some of those kids that do and are positive, and their parents and their grandparents and teachers.
It's not good, obviously, but I mean, there's not a lot they can do other than, try to get everybody well by shutting down the schools for a couple of days.
The ongoing issue is not exclusive to Grapevine-Colleyville ISD. Since the start of the new semester last week, multiple school districts across North Texas canceled classes in hopes of giving people in quarantine more time to come back. GCISD told parents it struggled to find substitute teachers to keep classes going. Students told us their class size increased because of the shortage.
We have been combining some classes, yes. Our ELA class was combined.
Today I had to get moved in three classes.
Regulatory approval for a vaccine for 5 to 11-year-olds came in early November. Statewide vaccination levels are low among eligible children. The Texas Department of State Health Services says there's about 2.9 million students in the 5 to 11 age group. And the latest data shows less than 26% of those eligible children have had their first dose, and only about 13% statewide have been fully vaccinated. Those current statistics echoed nationwide research from the Kaiser Family Foundation that showed back in November less than 30% of parents were going to get their 5 to 11-year-old children vaccinated, and more than 60% were either going to wait and see or not get them vaccinated at all.
I know kids that have had it, adults that have had it, people that are vaccinated, people that are unvaccinated, so I don't know that the vaccine would have prevented this.
Parents we talked to think Omicron is just more contagious and the vaccine would not have prevented the surge.
People that I know recently that have gotten sick were the vaccinated people, so kids and adults. So I don't know what to say, what's right or wrong. I think you just have to decide for yourself.
That was Fox's Stephen Dial reporting. While Texas schools face teacher shortages, Fort Worth ISD is expanding its recruiting efforts to Mexico. The North Texas district is holding a virtual job fair in Mexico City with the goal of finding more bilingual teachers.